Okay, we are training our dog using these. They're chicken tenders. Trust me, he loves them. They're like his favorite. See, here he comes. They smell like real chicken. Smell them, smell them. They can't smell them. They're in the camera. Computer.
Let's switch her with paw.
No. Okay, so he sits already. He doesn't even know what we're going to ask him. Okay. Out to the open. You be the camera person, Liv. You be the camera person.
Look at them go.
No, sit. I said sit. Paw. Out of paw. Okay. He loves those chicken tenders, eh?
Yeah. You can kind of tell.
Wait. You have to wait. Jeez. I think I'm going to do 2 tricks for each piece of chicken.
No, you don't.
Yeah, well, watch. Sit. Lay down. Now you speak. Lay down. Hey. No, you're roll.
This is good.
Lay down. Oh my gosh, I can't get on the roll.
Let's start with Steve.
Roll over, buddy. Lay down. Lay down. He can't seem to get his grip.
Yeah, just give him the treat.
Good boy. Yeah, we're not very good at training our dog. Dance. You want to see him dance?
Okay, sure.
The camera. Do you want to see him dance?
Yes.
Dance, Jack. Good boy. Okay, what other ones? He does roll.
Yeah, he does.
Lay down, buddy. Lay down. Roll over. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Everybody give me an arm.
2 for that one. 2 for that one. Good. Okay, this is the last one. So what should we make him do? What's that? Want to dance again?
Sure.
My favorite. Sometimes he falls when
He
dances.
works out.
He gets a little crazy sometimes. Hey, buddy. Look at you. Look at you.